guys, mag strawberry picking kami ngayon dito guys. So tingnan nyo yung view, kaganda oh. Sa Rendell's Farm, North Sydney. Ganda ng view, tapos nakikita mo yung dagat. Yung nakikita nyo guys, ano yan, strawberry na yan hanggang doon sa dulo daw.
Yes, baby.
I got so many berry straws.
So many berry straws. Just drop them in.
How are you, Blue? Blue, smile. Hello. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You have fun.
Yes.
Guys, look at this oh. As you can see, marami na ako nakuha oh. Malalaki pa oh. Parang heart. Saya guys oh, tingnan nyo. Dito lang yan sa Rendell's Farm. Ay oh. Refill pa ba yan oh? Hi. Guys, ito na yung na-pick namin ngayon no. Kabilis lang. Pero babayaran namin to by mamaya tatanungin natin kung magkano lahat yung ano natin yung nakuha. Tingnan mo sarap po. Pero maliliit siya pero may matamis din siya. Masarap din kasi fresh eh. Amo. Actually first time ko mag-picking ng ng strawberry. Naranasan ko rin mag-picking ng apple pero ito na 'yon. Sige, so tingnan nyo kalawak ng nila oh. Dami.
You want to run me down because I didn't get to play horse boy?
You have 11 and a half pounds. And I take a pound and a half off her waist. So 10. Yeah, if it's raining.